Lesson 6.2.2 Multiplying Polynomials. The problem we are asked to simplify is the quantity of x minus 7 times the quantity of 2x plus 4. Let's gather what we need to make each binomial. Notice that the first binomial has a constant term that is negative. This means we need to use the negative units to represent the value. Once you have all of the tiles selected, place one binomial horizontally along the top edge of a piece of paper and the other binomial vertically along the side edge. Across our top edge, we have represented the quantity of x minus 7. On the side edge, we have represented the quantity of 2x plus 4. Now we will multiply the dimensions of each of the tiles with the dimensions of another tile. As we find the products, we fill in the area with the algebra tiles. Initially, we multiply two x rectangles. When we multiply the x dimension by another x dimension, we get x squared, and we fill it in with our quadratic tile. If we continue down the vertical edge, we need to multiply the x rectangle from the top by the next x rectangle from the side. Multiplying x times x makes x squared, so we can fill in another quadratic tile on our figure. Continuing down the vertical edge to multiply the x rectangle from the top with the first unit tile dimension from the side, we get an x times 1. This makes 1x. Then we repeat this for each of the units. Now we want to multiply the first negative unit from the vertical edge with the x rectangle from the side binomial. Think carefully, because x times a negative 1 yields a negative x. Notice how this tile follows the x in unit alignments and also represents a negative value tile, the opposite of positive x. We repeat this process by multiplying the negative unit by the x dimension tile in the next row. Finally, we multiply the units by each other. Notice that a negative 1 times positive 1 yields a product of negative 1. We repeat this multiplication for each of the units. The final product for our multiplied binomials is the area sum for all the tiles inside the rectangle. The dimensions of the rectangle were defined by the quantity of x minus 7 and the quantity of 2x plus 4, and the final product is 2x squared plus 4x minus 14x minus 28. Once fully simplified, we end up with 2x squared minus 10x minus 28.